I thought I would do a little flow, yoga flow, to get the energy flowing for a morning and your day ahead. So we're going to begin just with a little bit of movement just to loosen up the body first, and then we'll move into more yoga. So we're going to begin with our knees just soft. We're just going to inhale the arms out, exhale them with the backs of the hands together. We're going to bring them up and out. So just inhaling up and out. Inhaling through the mouth, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. So this is just getting the body moving, opening up the body, loosening up the joints. Two more. I step the feet a little bit further. So we're going to do taking one arm out to the side and then taking the other arm out to the side. So think of making the infinity sign or a figure eight on its side. This is a bit of qigong movement just to get the body flowing, get the energy flowing to begin with. Again, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. And bring yourself back to center. So just bring yourself into your middle of your mat. We're just going to do a few half sun salutations to warm up the spine. So you're going to inhale the arms up. You're going to exhale into your forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. And inhale, root to rise. Bring the hands up overhead, hands down to heart center. Again, breathing in. Breathing out, forward fold. Breathing in, flat back. Breathing out, forward fold. And inhaling, palms together and down to heart center. Another two. Now you can just breathe in and out through your nose. Down to heart center. Last one. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. And inhale, root to rise. Palms together and down to heart center. So we're going to just keep our left foot forward and step the right back. So we're going to come into our warrior one. So drop that back heel and think about taking the left hip forward, left hip back, right hip forward. You're going to inhale the arms up into your warrior one. Then we're going to flow with the breath. So we're going to bring our arms into airplane as we exhale. We're going to inhale warrior one and exhale airplane. Last one. Now this time straighten the front leg, inhale the arms up. And this time we're going to bend into the knee, coming into humble warrior. Inhale back, straighten the legs, straighten the arms. Exhale, bend the knee into your humble warrior. One more. Bring the hands to your hips, step forward. Step back with the left foot, drop the back heel. So bringing the right hip back, left hip forward, sinking into that knee. Make sure your knee isn't going over your ankle joint. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, airplane arms. 2 more. Now straightening the front leg. Inhale the arms up once again. And this time as you exhale, bend into the knee, bringing the arms out as if you're offering something into your humble warrior. Inhale up. Exhale down. Do one more. Bring yourself back to center. Rotate the hips towards me. We're going to come into a forward fold. So hands on hips. Try and keep the length through your front body. And as you keep that length, rolling the shoulders back, keep that length the whole way down. Slowly bringing either your hands to the mat or you're holding on to the elbows. You can stay still or you can gently rock side to side, stretching out the back and the hamstrings. Slowly release the hands, bend into the knees, slowly rolling yourself up. Now rotate the front foot towards the front of the mat, coming into our warrior 2 arms. What we're going to do here is we're going to rotate our palms up. We're going to take an inhale as we twist. Exhale back to center. And inhale, drop the hand into our sun warrior. Exhale, palms facing up. Inhale, twist. Exhale, center. Inhale, sun warrior. Just flowing with this movement. Doing 2 more. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhale to center. Into your sun warrior. Bring the hands down. Just rotating the feet in the opposite direction now. Palms with the palms facing up into warrior 2 arms. Again, we are going to twist back to center, let the back hand drop into sun warrior. Arms come up, twist, back to center, let the back hand fall. Again, follow your breath. Inhaling, exhaling, inhale. Two more. And last one. Back to center, rotate the feet and have the toes pointing to the corners of your feet. So we're going to come into our star, arms extended, legs extended, and then we're going to bring the palms together and sink into our goddess pose. So you're going to inhale, sweep the arms up to star, exhale into goddess pose. Last one. Bring yourself back to standing. Toe heel the feet together and you can come down onto your mat. So we're going to be doing our bridge pose, once again flowing with the breath. So have your heels quite close up towards your hips. hands by your side. And you have the option of keeping the hands by the side, or if you wish, tilting the tailbone up towards the ceiling, inhaling the arms up and over as you reach into your fingertips. And slowly exhale, bringing the spine back down to the floor. Each time, remember to tilt the tailbone up towards the ceiling before you lift. And just flow with your breath. Inhaling up, pushing through your feet, pushing through the soles of the feet. Make sure that you're not letting your knees roll out. Keep hugging in through the inner thighs. Exhale, and one more. Just rotate the palms up. Just bring your feet wide and let your knees rock side to side like window wipers. And then just bring the feet back in, bring the knees up. And you have the option either to make circles with the knees, rock backwards, forwards, side to side. Just do what feels good for your lower back, just releasing any tension. And then you can place your hands in behind your knees. You can gently begin rocking along the spine and just bring yourself up to sitting. So that was just a quick, short flow sequence just to begin your day. Beginning your day with movement helps you to start your day on a positive note. It helps to get your body moving, your joints mobile. You'll feel much better after a few minutes of yoga. So if you would like to see more little yoga videos, shorter, longer, please comment. Let me know what you would like. Follow, subscribe, and just give me any feedback that you feel is positive. Positive feedback is always good. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you're feeling more loose and relaxed and ready for the day ahead. Have a good one.